Hey everyone, this is our sprint iteration plan sync meeting for the conversion group for digital experience for March the 27th. I'm going to hand this over to Jess to kind of chat about what we're thinking about for this iteration. A couple of people out, and so Phil's and myself will kind of fill in some of the gaps that we see for the iteration.
Thanks, Justin. So a couple of things on my plate this sprint. One is this painted door test on our homepage, where we're going to feature like a security feature and just kind of figure out if it entices users to start a free trial. I've also got a really small thing out for the release post. Just some header little confusion that we need to figure out. Shouldn't be a thing at all. Um, and follow up on our free trial landing page. We maybe a few just minor aesthetic changes, but also our MVC2 where we're going to take a few keywords like open source or CI/CD and create specific templates for people who are coming from those keywords in their ad searches. Yeah, that's it for me. I'll pass it
Um,
to. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, I have a question. For the painted door test, I saw the designs and they look great. I'm just wondering, is the image going to change with the text or is that going to be independent?
Good question. Don't know the answer yet.
Okay.
One of the things I think Brian also asked about was like, could we get a specific image? But that might have to be like a
Future.
future iteration.
Mhm.
Yeah, so TBD on that one.
Okay, cool. I think just something to think about and include it for the engineers to know when they
Yeah,
implement it. Yeah.
absolutely. Cool. LVC, I pass it to you.
Okay. Well, this sprint I'll be focused mainly in the pricing page. First of all, to finish some iteration for the FAQ section in the pricing landing. I will add some reactive title section and update some UI setup. I I will wait for some double check for finish some iteration for text on the pricing ultimate cards and a lot of stuff with the CSS optimization. We're looking for some updates in the view experience repo and some after updates. We're still experimenting on the way we implement slippers in both repos, slippers and navigation. No, in the main view experience and navigation. And that's all for now. So if something comes up, go ahead with that. And that's it.
All right, and we got a couple people out. Megan's going to be the engineer for the painted door ABC test on the homepage. She could also help support Jess on if there's MVC2, if there's like quick updates to the free trial page. She could probably make them real quick based upon what they might be. TMA is doing another small iteration on the customers on the homepage. There was a new case study that was added for the Deschutes Bank or Deschutes case study, and then I think there was another a style update there that so we can add that link to that case study. There's also another bulk similar to the topics pages bulk update. We recently had a new template for customer case studies created, and we can start migrating higher priority case studies. So this will be just a bulk amount of work that I'll create an epic similar to what we did with topics pages, and then anyone who has a little bit of bandwidth can start migrating case studies content over to the new template. So then we can start really finalize the update that we did for the Tina did for the customer case studies landing page. So it's a nice full complete chunk of work there. Oh, and then with the pricing change on April 3rd, there's probably going to be a flurry of updates, merges, everything. So we have a little bit of bandwidth there built into making sure we are available to make any of those changes as needed across the board. I think that's it, unless Phil's got anything. All right. Thank you, everyone.